Guys, you're welcome back to this channel. You're welcome back to another vlog. I'm trying to create batch of vlogs and put out on the channel because I don't understand the algorithm again actually, but I'm just trying to do this. So I'm trying to make breakfast the last week of the term, and this week is usually very tiring than other weeks, so I'm just trying to make breakfast for the kids. I've also decided to have breakfast now. Before, I usually skip breakfast. I do like 16 to 18 hours fast, and then I would have my lunch, but I just decided to add breakfast to my daily routine, even if it's fruits, even if it's just one piece of banana, even if it's just one apple. I just need to have something in the morning before lunch. So I've incorporated that. Even when I was doing the 16, 18 hours, at first I noticed the differences, but later on it was as if it was just maintaining my weight loss, because my weight is not increasing, it's not decreasing, and that's what I have right now. So for the kids, I'm using that burger bun. Yeah, they said they want sandwich or something. I can't even remember what they said they really wanted, but I just improvise that for that, since I didn't have the burger filling. So I'm also making this for my breakfast this morning. I'm having parfait for the breakfast this morning. And that's it. So it's time to go to work. This morning was very sunny, and when it's sunny, I tend to use a sunshade, because just to protect my face from the sun, because sometimes when you're driving, the sun just gets into your eyes, and if you're not careful, you won't even be able to see where you're driving to or what is happening on the road. So when the sun is actually too bright, I just tend to use sunshade, and this is very, very helpful. So when I go to work, I had my breakfast. I got this banana from work. I added it to what I have going on here. I have cucumber here, and I also have another fruit. I can't remember now, but I know the fruit is very high in fiber. So I added banana to this. I couldn't finish this because this was just even too much for breakfast. I don't know why I packed this much, but I could not finish what I have here for breakfast. It's the end of the day, and I am so drained. At the end of every work day, I tend to stay in my car for 2 to 3 minutes to reflect before I even think of starting the car and then going home. I do that a lot. I stay for 2-3 minutes. Sometimes I even stay for 5 minutes. Sometimes I start the car to get it warm, and then I just reflect before I go on and go home. Yeah, so I do that every day. Meanwhile, I think I showed you this food processor I got some weeks back. I just want to give a feedback. This is on my TikTok shop. I'll put the link in the description if you would like to shop. But this is a very, very good thing to have in your kitchen. This blends beans, this grinds pepper. If you want to do on smooth pepper, is going to do it. If you want to do the smooth one, if you want to do grind beans for moi moi, for akara, this is very packed. You can see this is very, very smooth. It is, I don't know, this is a gadget I use every day in my kitchen. I use this for ewedu, I use this for okra, I use this for pounded yam. You can see that is the pounded yam, and it comes out so lovely. If you need one, the link will be in my description for you to shop, and I will see you in my next video.